Very good afternoon, dear students. Welcome to our mathematics class. Today discuss about arithmetic mean. Today discuss about arithmetic mean. Arithmetic mean. This one short form is A dot M. Arithmetic mean. So what is the meaning of the arithmetic mean? What is the meaning of the arithmetic mean? If a comma small a comma b, if small a comma capital A comma b are in arithmetic progression, then capital A is called. Then capital A is called arithmetic mean between A and B. What is the first condition? If small a comma capital A comma B are in arithmetic progression, then capital A is called arithmetic mean between. Capital A is called arithmetic mean between A and B. Second condition. Second condition. If in between A and some elements we can insert, means m1 comma m2 comma m3 so on mn comma b. So in between A and B some elements are insert in between A and B or in arithmetic progression, then m1 comma m2 comma m3 so on mn, then the elements m1 comma m2 comma m3 so on mn are called the nth elements of the nth elements of the arithmetic mean between A and B. See here, listen carefully. What is the meaning of the arithmetic mean? Means if A comma capital A comma small b are in arithmetic progression, then capital A is called arithmetic mean between A and B. Another condition, some elements insert in between A and B. Some elements insert in between A and B are in arithmetic progression, then m1 comma m2 comma m3 so on mn because of nth elements. So the number of elements insert in between A and B or in the arithmetic progression, then m1 comma m2 comma m3 so on mn are called the nth elements of the arithmetic mean between A and B. So third point is small a comma capital A comma B are in arithmetic progression, then we have what is the definition of the arithmetic progression? The difference between any two terms is same. So now this difference is equal to this difference. Both differences are same. That's why what is the first difference? Any term minus before term. This one difference is equal to this difference. So B minus A. Because of arithmetic progression condition is the difference between any two terms is same. That's why here given there are three elements. This difference is equal to this difference. Both differences are same according to arithmetic progression. That's why first difference is A minus A is equal to B minus A. Minus A take left hand side, minus A take right hand side. Minus A taking left hand side plus A is equal to minus A take that side plus A plus B. A plus A value is 2A is equal to A plus 2 set the denominator. Capital A is equal to B plus by 2. This is arithmetic mean formula. So finally write conclusion. The arithmetic mean of two elements A and B is given by A and B is given by capital A is equal to a plus b by 2. This is the formula for the arithmetic mean. So once again explaining what is the meaning of the arithmetic mean. So arithmetic mean short name is a dot m. A dot m is arithmetic mean. So first condition what? If small a comma capital A comma b, these all the numbers in the arithmetic progression, then capital A is called arithmetic mean between A and B. Next one, another condition, if some elements inserted in between A and B that sequence in the arithmetic progression, then m1 comma m2 comma m3 so on mn are called nth elements of the arithmetic mean between A and B. Next third condition, if small a comma capital A comma b are in the arithmetic progression, then we have, according to definition of the arithmetic progression, the difference between any two terms is same. That's why we are taking difference both are equal. That's why a minus a is equal to b minus a. Capital A we are taking one side, the a and b we are taking one side. So minus a taking left hand side, one side taking right hand side. A plus a is equal to 2a, 2a is equal to a plus b, capital A is equal to a plus b by 2. This is nothing but the arithmetic mean between a and b is given by a plus b by 2. Everyone understood? Next we are going to problems. Now we are going to problems. Very easy, very important for the final exam. 2 marks questions. So very easy. Only applying 3 conditions, but the questions only applying only 1 condition. Because of already you know in the term of the arithmetic progression, Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 into t. Only applying the formula. Very important. First question is important. 2 marks questions. Insert 3 arithmetic means between minus 2 and minus 2. Minus 2 and minus 2. What they are asking? To insert 3 arithmetic mean between means in between minus 2 and minus, in between you can insert 3 arithmetic means. Finally to calculate 3 arithmetic means. How to calculate 3 arithmetic means? Listen carefully. Solution. Let minus 2 minus 10. What is 3 arithmetic mean between minus 2 and minus 10? Listen carefully this question. Insert 3 arithmetic means. Insert 3 arithmetic means between minus 2 and minus 2 means in between minus 2 and minus in between you can insert 3 arithmetic means. This is the first term. Second term, what is the second term? A plus b. Third term is a plus 2d. Fourth term is a plus 3d. Because of general form of arithmetic progression is given by first term is a, second term is a plus b, third term is a plus 2d, fourth term is a plus 3d plus or a plus n minus 1 into d. So now already first term they are given, last term they are given. In between you can insert 3 arithmetic means. That's why first term is a given, second we did not given. That's why we are assuming 3 terms. One is a plus d, a plus 2d, a plus 3d, comma minus 10. You understood this part? Have you wrote this one? Because of they are asking insert 3 arithmetic means between minus 2 and minus 10 means we are inserted minus 2 and minus 10 between we are insert 3 arithmetic means. Already first term they given, second term we have inserted, third term we are insert, fourth term we are insert. Here A is equal to, what is A is equal to first term? Minus 2. So common difference they did not given to calculate that one. Next one. N is equal to how many numbers is there in the sequence? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Total 5 number is there. Next one. Tn. First term, second term, third term, fourth term, so on. Nth term is this is the last term. That's why nth term value is -10. So you don't know d value to calculate d value. Now you can apply nth term of arithmetic progression is Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Substitute the values. What is the last term values? -10. A value is -2. N is equal to 5 minus 1 into d. So minus to take this side plus 2. 5 minus 1 value is 4d. So minus 8 is equal to 4d. 4 1 ja, 4 2 ja. So value you get -2. So now to calculate what we are inside the three elements. What is the first element we are assuming? A plus b. So now if a is equal to -2, a is equal to -2, b also -2. What is the first term we are assuming? A plus b. So a value is -2, b value also -2. So -4. Second we are assuming a plus 2b. -2 plus 2 of -2 equal to -2, -4 is equal to -6. Third term is a plus 3d is equal to a value is -2, b value is -2. -2 minus 6 value is -8. So how many values we can write finally? Which elements we are inserting in the sequence? One is the a plus d, a plus 2d, a plus 3d. So a plus d element which element we are getting? -4. Second element we are getting -6. Third element we are getting -3. We can write that one. Therefore, the three arithmetic progressions are -4, -6, -8. Compulsory these three elements. Definitely these three elements in between -2 and -3. This is a solution. This is once again what they are asking. Insert three arithmetic mean between -2 and -10 means we can insert in between -2 and in between we can insert three elements. We are assuming second term is a plus d, third term is a plus 2d, fourth term is a plus 3d. In the given sequence, a is equal to first term, common difference you don't know, you can calculate that one. N is equal to how many elements will be there totally? 5 numbers. So we can write n is equal to 5. Nth mean nth term, last term. So Tn is equal to last term is -10. Now we are applying nth term of the arithmetic progression formula. Now substitute all the values, finally we get the d is equal to -2. To calculate these three terms, a value no, b value no. So what you are assuming elements we can take, after substitute that value, finally we get the which elements if you want to, finally we get that elements. Everyone understood? It is clear? Another method. There is one method. Suppose this one any confusion we can there, we can apply another formula. So another formula or another solution for they given that we can take, suppose what is the condition if small a comma capital A comma b are in arithmetic mean. That means what is the a value? -2. Correct? Given that three arithmetic mean between -2 and insert. So -2. We can insert -2. So first let -2 and 10 in between insert three elements a plus b, a plus 2d, a plus 3d. So condition what? Suppose in the given condition the a, this one b. In between a and b in between insert some three elements. What is the a value here? -2. So now a is equal to -2 and b is equal to -10 and b is equal to minus 10. N is equal to how many elements we can insert? 3 elements. So how many number of elements we can insert? 3 elements. That's why N is equal to 3 elements we can insert. So next formula is D is equal to D minus A by N plus 1. D is equal to B minus A by N plus 1 here. Because of A comma, this is small a1 comma, a2 comma, a3 comma b. This is sequence. A is equal to minus 2, b is equal to minus 10, n is equal to how many numbers we insert? There 3 numbers. That's why we are taking n is equal to 3. So what is the common difference formula? D is equal to b minus a by n plus 1. What is the b value? Minus 10. What is a value? Minus 2. Minus 1 minus 3 by n value is 3 plus 1 is equal to minus 10 plus 2 by 4 is equal to minus 8 by 4. 4 1 the 4 is equal to minus 2. So now to calculate a plus d value, a plus 2d value, a plus 3d. What is the common difference normally? Minus 2. Therefore, in between minus 2 after that we can add minus 2. Minus 4 we will get 3 arithmetic progressions or 3 arithmetic progressions are in between values we can calculate. So common difference is, what is the common difference? Minus 2. First term minus 2 is there. We can add minus 2. Minus 2 minus 2 minus 4. Minus 4 we can add minus 2. Minus 6 minus 6. We can add minus 2 minus 8. This is the answer. Because of we are x. If you want to step by step, we can before question how I am doing that, like we can do, or else if you know everything we can write directly. They will give full marks. How we wrote this one means first term value is minus 2. What is the common difference? Minus 2. That's why we can add it. Minus 2 minus 2, that is minus 4. Minus 4 minus 2 minus 6. Minus 6 minus 2 minus 8. Like that we are writing. You don't know, you can write what is the first term also a plus d. A value is minus 2, d value is minus 2. That is minus 4. Second term is a plus 2d. A value is minus 2 plus 2 into minus 2. This calculation the value should get in minus 6. A plus 3d is equal to a value is minus 2, d value is minus 2 will finally minus 2. So we can write finally 3 arithmetic progression. Therefore 3 arithmetic progressions are minus 4, minus 6, minus 8. We can use before solution or else we can use this solution. Anyone you can do, they will give full marks. Here one understand how to insert the 3 arithmetic mean between minus 2 and minus 10. Next question. Very easy. Don't confusion. I am explaining 2 solutions. Which method is you can follow that one? Second question. Insert 4 arithmetic mean between 5 and 10. 5 and 10. So solution, what is the solution? Insert 4 arithmetic mean between 5 and 10. In between 5 and 10, we can insert 4 arithmetic mean. Already first term they are given. We can insert 4 terms. Means a plus b, a plus 2d, a plus 3d, a plus 4d. We are inserted in between 5 and 4. 4 elements inserted. Insert in between 5 and 10. Here a is equal to first term is 5. Common difference we don't know to calculate that one. N is equal to how many times? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Total 6 is there. Last term is 10. Now applying nth term of the arithmetic progression form is n is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Now substitute the values. Last term value is 10, a value is 5, n value is 6 minus 1 into d. So 5 taking left hand side, 10 minus 5 is equal to 6 minus 1 is 5 into d. 10 minus 5 value is 5 into 5. To cancellation, so d value is 1. So to calculate what we are assuming 4 numbers. A is equal to 5, D is equal to 1. You know easily. Common difference is 1. First term 5 is there. You can add 1, 6. Or you can add 1 with 6 to 7, 8 to 9, 15. Or else, first term is we are assuming A plus D. 5 plus 1 is equal to 6. A plus 2D. 5 into plus 2 into 1 is 7. A plus 3D. A value is 5. 3 into D value is 1. The value is 8. A plus 4D is equal to 5 plus 4 into 1. The value is 1. Therefore, 9. The 4 arithmetic progressions are 6, 7, 8, 9. This is the result once again. They are given insert 4 arithmetic mean between 5 and 10. So we have inserted 4 arithmetic mean in between 5 and 10. So A is called the first term. So D we did not given. So to calculate common difference value, N is equal to counting number of values 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Total number in the sequence 6. Tn is called the last term. So Tn is equal to 10. So now substituting nth term of the arithmetic progression formula is Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Substitute all values we get D is equal to 1 to calculate 4 arithmetic means. That's why what we are assuming A plus D is equal to A value is 5, D value is 1, 6. 5 plus 1 is equal to 6. We can substitute finally got the 4 arithmetic progressor 6, 7, 8, 9 without using this one. Without using this one, how to write this value is here. Therefore, the 4 arithmetic progressions are. What is the common difference? First term we can have the common difference. 5 plus 1, 6. Next 6 can add 1, 6 plus 1, 7. 7 plus 1, 8. 8 plus 1, 9. Only insert only 4 arithmetic in between. First term we can add the common difference value 1. 5 plus 1 is 6. Next you can add 1, 6 plus 1, 7. 7 1 you can add 7 plus 1 is 8. 8 1 you can add 9. So another one. Another solution. Now insert 5. You can insert, there are 4 terms. One is the A1, A2, A3, A4, or else what you are assuming, right? A plus B, A plus 2D, A plus 3D, A plus 4D. 4 elements are inserted in between 5 and 10. Because of this, right? A, A1, A2, so A2, A3, A4, B. In between, insert some 4 elements in the in between A and B. What is the A value? 5. A is equal to 5. So B is equal to 10. N is equal to how many elements can insert? 4 elements. So N is equal to 4. Now we can D, what is the formula? D is equal to B minus A by N plus 1. So B value is 10, A value is 5. Divide by value is 4 plus 1 is equal to 5 by 5 is equal to 1. So now we can calculate 4 arithmetic progressions. Therefore, the 4 arithmetic progressions are, first element is 5 is there. Common difference one we can add 5 plus 1 6. 6 plus 1 7. 7 plus 1 8. 8 plus 1. Which one you can use? You can follow that one. Here n is equal, you are counting all the numbers, but we are taking n is equal to only how many elements we can insert, only that number of elements only we are taking this one. Okay na? Both the solutions are same, both the solutions also correct, but n value is different. Here n values we are taking total in the sequence numbers, but here taking n is equal to what we are asking, insert elements. It is clear? You understood? Next third question. Third question. Insert 8 arithmetic mean betweens 2 and 11. 2 and 11. What they are asking, insert 8 arithmetic mean between 2 and 11. Solution, like in between 2 and 11, in between we can insert 8 arithmetic mean. A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D, A plus 4D, A plus 5D, A plus 6D, A plus 7D, A plus is equal to, comma equal to 2, d to calculate, n is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Total n is equal to number of elements is 10. So last term value is 11. Now applying the term of arithmetic progression formula, Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Substitute the values. Last term value is 11, a value is 2, n value is 10 minus 1 into d. 2 plus 2 take this side, 11 minus 2 is equal to 90. So 9 is equal to 90. 9 is cancel, so d is equal to 1. 1 on the separate like d is equal to 90. 9 on the, so that value is 1. So easily what they are asking to insert 8 automatic programs. So the 8 automatic programs are without using this one. What is the first element? 2. What is the common difference one? You can add 2 plus 1 is 3. 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 plus 1 is 4. 4 plus 1 is 5. 5 plus 1 is 6. 6 plus 1 is 7. 7 plus 1 is 8. 8 plus 1 is 9. 9 plus 1 is 10. These are finally 8 automatic progressions. How you wrote this one means normally if a is equal to 2, d is equal to 1. What is the first one we are assuming? A plus b. 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. A plus 2 is equal to 2 plus 2 is the value is 4. A plus b is equal to 2 plus 3 into 1 is equal to 7. 5. Therefore up to 8. A plus 8 is equal to 2 plus 8 into 1 is equal to 10. So on. Right? So easily you know direct ultimate because of what is the first term is a, second term is a plus b means we can have the first element and common difference. 2 plus 1 is 3. Second term is 3. We can add plus 1. 3 plus 1 is 4. 4 plus 1 is 5. 5 plus 1 is 6. 6 plus 1 is 7. We can add what is the common difference? We can add 1 by 1. First term is 2. 2 we can add 3. That's why you have 3. 3 we can add second term we can add 1. 4. Okay. Another method is in between insert 8 automatic means 2 insert a plus b is so on. A plus b is equal to 11. A value is 2, b value is 11, n is equal to how many numbers we can insert 8, so n is equal to 8. D is equal to b minus a by n plus 1. So b value is 11, a value is 2, n value is 8 plus 1 is equal to 9. That is 1. So now we can write finally the 8 automatic progressions are already in between values to calculate. In between values, that's why already first term you know. Second term is what? A plus b means what is the first term we can add common. 2 plus 1 is 3. Second term we can add 1 is 3 plus 1 is 4. 4 plus 1 is 5. 5 plus 1 is 6. 6 plus 1 is 7. 7 plus 1 is 8. 8 plus 1 is 9. 9 plus 1 is 10. So finally we can find the 8 automatic programs are 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Finally we got the 8 automatic mean. Okay? Everyone understood? It is clear. Only applying nth term of the arithmetic progression. This is very most important. We can apply how many elements we can insert. We can write like this. Suppose this one you don't know. We can write like this. How many elements we can insert? 8. So A1, A2, A3, A4, A5, so on, 18, 11. So now, finally we got the A value we got and D value we got. Next, if you want in between 2 and 11 in between, you want the 8 automatic progressions. Here, second term is what normally A plus B. That's why, what is the common difference between first element and the common is we can add. 2 plus 1 is 3. So 1 by 1 we can add a common difference value. Common difference is what? 1. 3 plus 1 is 4. Let's add common difference 1. 4 plus 1 5 like that. How many elements if you want? You can get up to 8 elements. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Same what it is. Understood? How to solve the insert arithmetic mean between A and B. Very easy. 2 marks questions important for the final exams. Okay? Everyone understood how to solve the arithmetic mean between A and B. This is a process. If you have any doubt is there, please ask in WhatsApp group. Okay? Thank you all.